lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for coming back for another video. Thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate you guys very much. And of course, welcome to my brand new subscribers. I am always happy to come back and bring you guys another video, and I'm bringing you guys a makeup video today. This makeup look you guys are going to see coming up in just a few minutes. I like the way this has turned out, and we're going to be talking through the video as well. But let me show you again the palettes that I use. This is the Morphe 15D Artistry palette. This eyeshadow palette is very, very pretty. Okay, many of you already have this palette. This palette was in my trash can. This was in my rubbish bin, and I went back and I took it out. Don't judge me, okay? And this is a Revolution Reloaded eyeshadow palette. This one was about to go in the garbage, and I thought, hold on to it. So I'm really happy that I did, because the look turned out to be pretty good right now. So I'm happy I did not get rid of these palettes. Okay? Anywho, I hope you guys enjoy this video today, summed off in the description box. And I'm going to leave everything that I use on my face down below for you guys. Hope you enjoy, and please come back next week for another video. Doodles. Turn out. I am going to use this eyeshadow palette from Revolution. What do you all do with your old eyeshadow palettes? Do you just toss them out? Do you just store them? Do you just pile them up? What do you do with your eyeshadow palettes? And so many different colors in this palette I haven't used. There was one, I think it was a very, very light purple color over here, which I used, and I've actually panned it. I was so proud of myself because I absolutely love that color. And so it's completely done. So we're just going to see what we can come up with using this eyeshadow palette today. But I'm also thinking of something kind of yellow, but we're just going to be playing with makeup. How is that? So I'm going to use the very light yellow. I mean, many of you already know this eyeshadow palette already. I've had this palette for such a long time. I always wanted to throw it out. But I thought, let's just hold on to it for now. But I do like this yellow for some reason as a lovely transition shade. So we're just going to be doing a little blending right now. Okay, so this is nicely blended. And guys, you must try this Wu Eyeshadow Base. You will not disappoint. So I'm going to be taking this Jumbo White Pencil from NYX. And we are just going to put this over the lid. And I'm now going to be using this eyeshadow palette from Morphe. This is a 15D palette. Very, very neutral palette. And we're just going to, let me just see which color I should use. And let's just go in with this color, and it's called Blend. It's going to match the pink under hood. Let's just see if this is going to work. Yes, it would. I love the way these colors blend together. Very nice. I'm just going to wipe away the excess. And then I'm just going to now take my black eyeliner pencil. This is from Temu. And I love this black eyeliner. Oops. So we're just going to line the corners. So of course I'm going in with my eyelashes last. We'll do a little mascara as well before we put those lashes on. Now let's go in with our Fenty Beauty, and this is the 360 foundation. And we are going to blend. And I'm going to use a brush to do my forehead. This foundation is just right for my skin, just right. I'm going to be doing some concealers today, and this is from e.l.f. and this is in the shade 10. And we're going to put a little foundation just in not too many places, just a little. Because I don't really like too much of this stuff on my face anyways. And I'm just going to wipe this down because this is way too much. Going in with a clean brush, and we are going to blend. Look at how fast that was. Completely blended that out. I'm going to use my OPV Setting Powder. I'm going to use my FaceAralier Powder. I'm going to use the other side of this sponge. Love this powder. I've had this powder for years and I'm never going to give it up until it's done. So I'm going to do a little bronzing. This is from Lise Watier. I'm going to be using the same powder brush, but just a little bit of a bronzing, just around the forehead. And the thing about bronzing, you've got to really blend it in nicely or else your face is going to look really weird. So I'm going to be using this lipstick from Almay. I don't think I have any beauty products from Almay. I've never, ever, ever, I don't think, used anything from them. But I love this lipstick, so we're going to be putting this on today. This lipstick gives you shimmer, but we are going to fix that with some lip liner. This is really nice. And so I'm just going to use, this is my Mahogany lip liner from MAC. That looks so pretty. Yay, love that. Now I am going to put on a little white eyeliner just to open up my eyes a little. Okay, so I'm going to put the lashes on and we are going to come back to finish this look.